Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ajay from eeehub, and in this video tutorial you are going to learn how to install Python on Windows operating system. After that you will learn to set up environment variable for Python. So let's start the session. In the previous session you have learned what is Python. So Python installation is divided into 3 steps. First step, you have to visit the official website of Python, that is www.python.org. As I told you earlier that Python is free of cost, so you don't need to pay money for this software. Once you will visit to this official website, then you have to look for a Python for a particular operating system. It means if you have a Windows operating system, then you have to look for a Python for Windows operating system, okay? And if you have other operating system like Linux or Mac, then you have to download a Python for a particular operating system. Once you will select the operating system, after that you have to look for the Python version. Once you will select the Python version, after that you have to download the setup file. Once the setup file will download on your system, after that you have to double click on that setup file, and don't forget to set the environment variable while installing the Python. This is very important because if you not set up the environment variable while installing Python, then you have to manually do it. You have to manually set up the environment variable, and it will be a bit tedious. So let's see how I'm going to install a Python in Windows operating system. So as I told you that you have to visit this python.org. This is the official website of Python. You have to go to this download section. Inside the download section you will see the Windows here. Once you will click on this section, you will land to this Windows page, okay? In this Windows page there are 2 versions of Python, that is Python 2 and Python 3. In this course we will be discussing the difference between Python 2 and Python 3, okay? And this course basically is built on Python 3. So I'm going to download Python 3 in this tutorial, okay? Once you will hit enter or click on this link, Python 3 link, you will land to this page where you will see the Python version and release date. So this is the latest one. This is on September 24, 2020. And scroll down, there you will see the Windows executable installer. You have to just click on this. Once you will click on this, a particular setup file, a particular Python setup file will be downloaded on your system. So once this file will be downloaded on your system, you have to just look for this, okay? And you have to double click on this setup file. So once you will double click on the setup file, you will see here the install Python 3.8.6, and this is 32-bit. And here you will see the install now, and also here you will see add path 3.8, add Python 3.8 to path. Remember, this is very important. You have to, while installing this Python on your Windows operating system, don't forget to tick this, okay? If you forget to tick this, then manually you have to set up the environment variable path. So as I tick this, Python installer will automatically set up path in my environment variable, okay? We will see where where the path has been set up, okay? Later on in this session we will see that. So once you will take this, just click on install now. So as you see, the Python 3.8.6 setup file has been installed successfully. Just you have to close this. Okay, once you close this, I'm going to close this one also, and let's see whether the setup file has been installed successfully or not. You have to just open the command prompt. Okay, once you will open the command prompt, you have to just write down python. You have to just write down python double dash then version, and if you hit enter, it will print the Python version. So we have installed the Python version 3.8.6 and it is installed successfully. So now let's see where the environment variable has been set up. So for this, you have to just on the keyboard, you have to just press Windows plus R key. Once you will click the Windows plus R key, this run window will be open, and then you have to type sysdm.cpl. okay, sysdm.cpl, and you have to click on OK. Once you will click on OK, the system properties window will open, and there you have to select this advanced section. Once you will click on this advanced section, look at the bottom of this advanced section. There you will see environment variables. You have to just click on this environment variables button. Okay, once you will click on that environment variable button, you will see the user variable for Ajay, and also you will see the system variable. In system variable also you will see the path. Okay, and in the user variable also you will see the path. So in the user variable we have the path, and after selecting this path you have to just click on edit. Once you will click on edit, you will see this is the path of this Python that we have installed right now. This is the path, Python 38-32 script. This is the path. Okay, so this is how you can look for the environment variable, and you can set your environment variable path. Okay, if this path will be not here, then in the command prompt when you type the python dash dash version, it will show some error, and if your Python path will set up in your environment variable, then you will get the Python version. I hope now it is clear how to install Python in Windows operating system and how to set the environment variable. Okay, and I have already told you that after installing Python in Windows operating system, just open the command prompt, and in the command prompt you have to just type python dash version. It will print version of the Python. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.